Number 5. Always know what you're gonna say ahead of time. You need to know about the home. You need to know the facts, the figures, the characteristics, everything that the buyer is going to ask. But it's not just knowing it, it's also preparing. What I recommend doing is put a list together of the things that you want to talk about. When a client comes into the house, what are you going to point out? Are you going to point out the fireplace like we talked about, or the rock wall waterfall, or the amazing pool that they have, or the balcony that goes around the entire home? You want to be prepared. There's a phrase that I stick to, which is you never want to have to think about what you need to say at the time that you need to say it. So be prepared, role play it. Maybe you can talk with some of the other salespeople in your office and plan it out. So when a buyer comes in there, the first thing you should be saying is, hey, you guys need to check out this, or you need to check out this. Oh, this is really my favorite part about this property, or the school district is really good. Plan out what you have to say before you have to say it. That way you have a game plan, and eventually it becomes easy. You're not having to think about it. You're just boom, 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 tip, tip, tip. This is this about the property. This is that about the property. What do you think? And then wait for their feedback. Get their honest feedback about the property. They're gonna tell you if you're pointing out the things, and oh, maybe they don't like that. Well, maybe we have another house that you might be interested in that more so fits your needs. Always have your information prepared about what you're gonna talk about the property. Never just shoot from the hip, because you need to know these things. If there's a certain architect that built all these homes in the tract, you need to know that. Put that list together, be prepared for whatever questions they're gonna ask, and role play it ahead of time. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can send us an email, you can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.